lovers, happy new year once again and welcome back to my channel. I'm not adorable. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare fruit parfait. Fruit parfait is a mixture of varieties of fruits with yogurt. It makes consumption of fruit to be more delicious. So here are the things I'm going to be using. This is the yogurt I'll be using for today's fruit parfait. Here is the cucumber. I'll be making use of this apple, and here is also a fruit and nut mix. I got this from ShopRite. If you can get it from any mall close to you. As you can see, it contains dried coconut flakes, roasted cashew nuts, dried mango, dried pineapple, dried banana. So I'll be making use of it in today's recipe. So now let's proceed to preparing our fruit parfait. I have washed the fruits off camera. I've washed them thoroughly off camera. So now I'm dicing the apple. So while I'm dicing the apple, I would like to talk briefly on the health importance of this recipe I'm using in today's in making today's fruit parfait. So talking about apple. Apple is a fruit, as we all know, and it is very nutritious. It contains protein and vitamins, and it may lower high cholesterol, and it can also lower blood pressure. So if you are hypertensive, if you have high cholesterol level in your system, and if you are diabetic, apple is good for you. It's good for you to consume. Then it aids digestion. Apple boosts the immune system, and it also contains antioxidants. Apple contains antioxidants. I am still dicing um the apple. I'm still dicing the apple, and I want to make sure that all is evenly diced. So now I'll be talking on cucumber. As you can see, I'm also dicing the cucumber already here. So I'm also going to dice it into the same shape in which I diced the apple. So cucumber is also an antioxidant. It promotes hydration. As we know that cucumber contains a lot of water, so it promotes hydration. It may lower blood sugar level. It is easy to add to your diet. It may aid in weight loss. So if you're trying to control your weight, maybe if you are trying to reduce your weight, cucumber is good for you. It's good for you to consume. So I'm done with the dicing of the cucumber. So now let's move to the preparation in proper. So we're going to be combining the fruits together. As you can see, I'm pouring the fruit and nuts mix into my plate for easy accessibility. So now I'll be making use of a glass cup in preparing this recipe. As you can see, there's cashew nut and other things inside that fruit and nut mix. So cucumber will go in first. Followed by apple. So that's the first layer. Then followed by yogurt. Followed by the yogurt. So now followed by apple again. Apple followed by cucumber, then the fruit and nut mix. So that's how it goes. So you can make use of any fruit of your choice. it's not necessary or it is not compulsory you make use of this fruit I'm using in this recipe. So you can combine any fruit of your choice. So the yogurt is going in again. So it's going to be followed by cucumber, carrot, and the fruit and nut mix. So let me now talk briefly on the health importance of yogurt. Yogurt is very high in protein, is high in calcium, vitamins, and it contains life culture or probiotic. So this probiotic boosts the immune system, and when our immune system is being boosted, it prevents illnesses, is able to fight some infections. So I'm done with the first cup. So now I'm proceeding to prepare the second cup. So I'm going to repeat the same process for the first. I'm going to repeat it here also. So now talking about yogurt, as I was saying, yogurt can help to prevent digestive problem. So, and let's note that it's not all yogurts that are healthy, but yogurts without additives are healthy. Likewise, yogurts that are low in sugar. The yogurt I'm using in this recipe is free of additives. It has no additives and it is low in sugar. So, and also the most preferred yogurt to use for this recipe is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurts are thick and very creamy. So as you can see that this yogurt I'm using in this video is a thick one. So also you can make use of any fruit of your choice, just like I have said. And for the fruit and nut mix, the one I used, you can decide not to make use of this fruit and nut mix. You can make use of any you can make all your fruits to be fresh. Your coconut, your groundnut, you can add your cashew nuts by your everything. You can make everything fresh and skip that aspect of the fruit and nut mix that I used. So you can make use of when you can make all your fruits to be fresh. So as you can see, that's the last. I've been able to to couple everything together, and I'm done with the preparation of the two glasses of our fruit parfait. So now our fruit parfait is ready for consumption. It's ready for consumption. So I'll be eating my own now. I'll start my eating right from the kitchen. So when I tasted this fruit parfait, it was so yummy. So yummy, so delicious. I really enjoyed it, and you know what, Obi likes it so much. So I love preparing this on my weekend when I'm off work, when I'm off duty. I love preparing this and I love taking it as my breakfast. You can have it as a breakfast, lunch, and even dinner. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you have not. Bye and see you in my next video. Bye.